Absolutely not.
It's sour.
Part 2 of us trying the most sour candy we could find in our local sweet shop.
I'm not looking forward to this one.
Neither am I. So these are rated 8 and 9 out of 10.
What were the ones last time?
We tried 6 and 7, I believe. So these are up a notch from that. And they were already too much. And I felt like I was going to vom. These are called bubblegum sours.
Okay, but you can't spit it out. You spat it out yesterday.
No, Kieran, if I'm going to like
No.
vomit everywhere, then I'm going to spit it out.
Vomit, the views will go mad. 3, 2, 1. Let's sit back.
Oh. Oh.
No, it's creeper. It's a creeper.
Mm-hmm.
Oh! Oh!
Oh.
No.
I'm literally shaking.
This one's not as bad as the purple one yesterday.